Hey everybody, it's Lynnea here for LDRS Creative. Welcome back to day 2 of our October features. So this month we are featuring our fall favorites. So I've decided to grab some products from the October release. And one of the things I love about the October release is that depending on how you color or die cut or however you customize your October release products, you can have fall themed projects or spring, summer, anything. So I grabbed the Perfect Petals Die Set. I absolutely love this die set. It creates the perfect little flower, and I decided to die cut it from some fall colors today. So I've die cut from a muted blue and a craft color, and then some various color greens for the leaves. All you have to do is layer this up. Now I look for that little pointy piece. It lines up perfectly with the backer, and so that's what I look to line up. But if you have trouble lining up this die, just check out the back of the packaging. LDRS is really great about having guides, how to color images, and how to put things together on the back of their packaging. I'm just going to layer these together. I'm using some liquid glue, and you can see how fast this comes together. Everything layers perfectly, from that large backer of the floral to the layering piece, and then even the two center pieces of the flower. All you have to do is just kind of find one little piece that's going to line up, and from there just glue it in place, and it's really easy to put this together. I absolutely love the Songbird Fields paper packs. It comes in 6x6 as well as a slimline 4x9 size. These colors are gorgeous, and I picked the color of my flower to kind of match this pattern here with the little acorns and mushrooms. I loved it. I'm choosing 2 patterns to go on my card. I thought that I would have that blue checkered pattern in the background, so I'm using the largest die, or the second largest die I believe, from the A2 Diagonal Stitched Layered Card Toppers die set, and I'm going to layer that onto this pattern paper. And then I'm going to take the third largest die and I'm going to line that up and cut out of the center. Now that center piece I'm not going to use on the card, but I never waste pattern paper. If you've seen my videos before, you know that a lot of times I'll buy 2 packs of pattern paper, one to use and one to hoard, because I like to look at the pretty patterns. So I don't waste any of my pattern paper. So I went ahead and die cut the center of that pattern paper out, and I'll just keep that with the rest of my pattern paper pack so that I can use that on a later project. I die cut the acorn pattern paper using those same diagonal stitched layered card toppers dies, and then I'm just arranging everything onto a white card base, which I also have a white layer on there that I die cut with that same die. So everything has that diagonal stitching on it. Now for my sentiments, I grabbed the Happy Me, Happy You sentiment stack, and I heat embossed it with gold powder, and then die cut all 11 of those sentiments all at once with the Sentiment Stack 2 die. I added some foam tape behind those sentiment strips, popped them up onto my card, and I also popped up that layered flower. So the leaves are flat on there and kind of hanging off the sides, but I love having overhanging elements sometimes. It adds just a little bit of extra dimension. And I can always put this in a larger 5x7 envelope for mailing, so there's no problem with overhanging elements. Thanks so much for watching. On the screen now are a couple more videos that I thought you might enjoy. Thanks so much, and I'll see you soon. Bye!